What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be talking about the JBL Reflect Flow True Wireless Earbuds I picked up on Amazon for $149. After tax, they came out to about $160. I, of course, live here in the state of Florida, so my sales tax might be different from where you live. Nonetheless, it took about a day for these to get here. Amazon is awesome about next day delivery on really popular items, such as these JBL Reflect Flow True Wireless Earbuds with ambient aware and waterproof. These headphones also come with 30 hours battery life, a voice assistant feature, and they were also awarded the Red Dot Award for 2019, which is a design award given out to companies with the best design product. So today we're going to use that as our comparison. Do they live up to the standards of being a Red Dot Award winner for 2019? And we're going to find that out during our unboxing and first impressions here today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. Haven't seen these in Best Buy, but I'll show you guys the inside of the box here. So you get what looks to be an aluminum case. So we'll see how heavy that is. And you get the earbuds themselves right on top there. So let's go ahead and get into the box itself. So this package comes with extra wingtips and earbuds. Now the wingtips actually grip the inside of your ear really well. We'll see how easy these are to put on. What's also really important is in the box you get this USB charge cable. So it's USB to micro USB. It will definitely help you differentiate it from other cables for other products, which is really nice. We get the JBL charge case here, which is really awesome. I don't believe this has wireless charging. Usually aluminum does not indicate wireless charging, but nonetheless you can see that the headphones just slide right down into the case itself and lay on top of these connection ports here to charge the earbuds themselves. I absolutely love unboxing wireless earbuds. For those of you gentlemen out there who are watching this, you're probably thinking I'm crazy for calling them earrings, but hey, you know, it's just funny that they present them that way. You know, they present them in the box as sitting upright, just like you would a pair of earrings. Anyway, you want them to look stylish in your ear, and you don't want an awkward looking pair of truly wireless in your earbuds. You want something that's going to be stylish and that looks appropriate and that doesn't look obnoxious. And these so far look appropriate. They look like they're oriented towards the active lifestyle with the wings on them, which actually look really easy to take off, by the way. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get these earbuds in our ears and see for ourselves how they sound. So we've got the right hand side and we have the left hand side. As soon as you pull them out of the charge case, they actually connect right away to your device. And these are very similar to the Bose Soundsport free wireless earbuds, where you put them in your ear and twist them backwards, which is a design and a technique that I really love to use when using truly wireless earbuds. It ensures that they stay in your ear the best. So without further ado, let's go ahead and listen to some music. Okay, so right off the bat, these are pretty comfortable. Not the most comfortable pair of wireless earbuds, but very comfortable. The sound quality will kind of blow you away a little bit for 150 bucks. I have not experienced anything that has sounded quite this good until listening to the Bose Soundsport free wireless earbuds. I'm sure the Powerbeats Pro sound really good as well, but for 150 bucks, these sound awesome. Very strong bass, not overpowering, like the bass doesn't overpower the music, but it is strong in that if you are listening to something that is bass heavy, you're gonna hear it loud and clear, and you're gonna hear it accurately with these earbuds. What else I like about them is the midtones and the highs are very balanced. When I take the volume all the way up to as high as it can go, there's no crackling or screeching or anything of that nature. Nothing sounds plasticky. Everything sounds well put together and not distorted in any way, shape, or form. Everything sounds really good. So the midtones sound great as well. Vocals are coming in crystal clear. I believe these also have a built-in microphone, so if you want to take calls, you can. To activate the ambient noise mode, which is will really come in handy if you're crossing a busy street. All you have to do to activate that is tap or press on this button on the left-hand earbud. It will actually keep your music playing in the background, but lower it down to almost to the point where it's almost off. It will use the microphone to pipe in noise from the outside into your ear. So, and then all you have to do to reactivate your headphones or your earbuds to start listening to music again, or to bring the volume back to normal, all you have to do is tap on that button again. Okay guys, there you have it. So that is an unboxing and a first impressions of the JBL Reflect Flow wireless earbud. Thank you so much for watching.